All right, you guys probably saw that fucking, I don't know. You guys probably saw that footage. Look at this. Me and all the homies put Underglow. Not permanent, but just trying it out, I guess. I think it looks kind of cool. Definitely wish it was custom length though, where like all the side skirts would match. I feel like this fools came out the best, not gonna lie.
We don't talk about Eric's though.
Well, his ripped off, but I mean, it still looks good, just not the back no more. Illuminates the back though. This is literally the longest strip too. So imagine longest strip and I had it all around. That shit would look fucking sick. Right? I feel like the back literally looks the best and it's the one that I had like the most extra for. Cause I couldn't do it under the exhaust.
Oh, shit.
That's why it doesn't really illuminate on the left. So I literally had to do it right here and then all the way over here.
Are you putting it on top of the exhaust again, or
No, I didn't.
you stopped it?
I couldn't do it from here to like here. Oh, I probably could have. Nah, see, that would have looked like shit. I started from here and then went like that. So I had extra. That's what I'm saying. Like if we had like custom length ones, it literally would look 100 times better.
We invest in the $200 one.
Imagine. Hell no. We would say we return and we give them these. They'll notice the difference right away. No, I feel like Gmos came out the best because the measurements were like probably better for his car. I literally think that's literally why. Cause I dead ass think yours came out the best. You don't think so?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think yours did too.
Yeah.